Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable the mobile hotspot and confirm your plan allows tethering. On your phone, set a clear SSID and a strong password so others can't join. On the PC, enable the Wi-Fi adapter, not Bluetooth, then open network settings. This ensures your PC can scan and see the hotspot. Once done, scan for the phone SSID, select it, and enter the password. This initial pairing establishes the secure connection you'll manage next. After pairing, connect to the SSID and verify the connection status reads connected and has an IP address. That confirms DHCP worked. Make the connection metered on Windows if you need to limit automatic updates and background syncing. This saves data. Next, open Device Manager and disable power saving on the Wi-Fi adapter so it won't drop. Also, consider switching to 5 GHz on the phone if supported for better speeds and reduced interference, which improves reliability and throughput. Finish by verifying internet access. Load a few sites and run a quick speed test to confirm latency and bandwidth. When you're done, disconnect from the hotspot on the PC and turn off the phone hotspot to save battery and data. If connection fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle the hotspot off then on, restart the phone if needed, and then reconnect the PC. This clears common DHCP or radio issues. If problems persist, check password, SIM data balance, and signal strength before contacting carrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.